Nate. Have you ever think of buying a flower from a vending machine? Today I will introduce you our solution. Cooling locker vending machine. Totally 16 lockers in the fridge. 22-inch touch screen. Payment system. NIAS card reader, bill validator, coin accept and change. On the top of the machine, here is where the cooling system located. And at the front, we can put some sticker to show the flower's image. Locker section size can be customized based on flower size. Let me show you the buying process. For example, I want to buy the flower in the locker section 402. Move to the touch screen. Click 402. We can select to pay by card, bill, or coin. Pay from the flower. The locker section will open. Now we can take the flower out. Open the fridge door. Open the locker door. Take out the flower. The fridge door will automatically close. So do you like the concept of buying a flower from the vending machine? If you do, please contact us for more information. Thank you.